DISD headquarters with more on the discussion. Passionate at DISD. Lynn.
Yeah, it was, Steve, and there's some new developments on that. I'll get to that in a second. Parents were here earlier this morning. They were asking the DISD board not to add a school to that consolidation list. That school is Ben Milam Elementary School. It's near Central Expressway and Fitzhugh. Now, the school is not on the list right now. Earlier this week, parents were told that board members were considering adding it, though. It was announced last year that 11 schools would be closed because of low enrollment numbers. Ben Milam Elementary won a blue ribbon from the state a few years ago, and it is a recognized school.
Why else would you close something that's giving the kids such a great academic education? Why do it? Why? You're right, why Milam? We don't even know why.
We've only had 24 hours. And we've done a pretty good job within that 24 hours as far as a grassroots email campaign, a lot of calling. We've been getting responses from the DISD school board members.
Okay, less than 5 minutes ago, the board finished their discussion about consolidation, and I'm told that they did not add Ben Milam Elementary School to the list. It wasn't even discussed. They're sticking with those original 11 schools. So it appears, Steve, right now, those parents were getting worked up for no reason.
Got it, Lynn. I do have a couple questions. Aside from Milam, and the discussion there was, well, this is a recognized school. It's a good school, but there are a couple of exemplary schools on this list to be closed. There's some better, some worse than Milam. So what's the judgment here? Does performance factor into the decision to close it all?
Yeah, you're talking about Bonham Elementary, very good school, exemplary school, blue ribbon school. Lots of parents were fired up about that last year as well. Very close to Milam Elementary School, actually, also here in the Central Dallas, Northeast Dallas area. Now, really, the threshold is 251. I'm told that the school board basically said they were going to cut or close a school if it has less than 251 students, and those schools all have very low numbers, less than 250. Milam Elementary has about 280 students, so that's why it didn't make the list, Steve.
I imagine if it was performance-based, we'd be talking about a whole different list of schools. Lynn Kawano, thanks.